Are you stuck and wondering what to post next on your YouTube channel? In this video today, I'm going to practically show you 5 smart and simple ways you can find content ideas that your audience are already searching for, even if you are just starting out. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So the first place to search for your YouTube content ideas is on YouTube. So just go to YouTube. So for the sake of this video today, we are going to be using fitness niche. So you just go to YouTube and search fitness. So like right here, you just scroll down and check the most recent videos about fitness, as well as people that are having a lot of views and with low subscribers. Don't go for people that already have millions of subscribers. Go for people that have like 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, but they are having 10,000, 20,000 views. That's to tell you that something is happening concerning that particular type of content. So the second smart way to also get content ideas for your YouTube channel is use your competitors' videos. So if you check people that are doing well in the first place and then check people, compare their subscribers and their viewership, then you need to check their most viewed content. What are the content that people are viewing the most on that channel? What type of titles that keep repeating itself? So you can just check, scroll down and check the titles that keep repeating itself, because everybody loves what works. So you see people that are smart, they are repeating the same title in a different way. So they'll end up saying the same thing in a different way, and people keep watching because this is something people are searching for. And the next thing you should also do is add your uniqueness to it. Don't just do 100% copy and paste. You just ask yourself, how can you say it in your own voice to your own audience is extremely important. The third place you can get a smart content ideas is use of free AI and tools. So right here, the AI that I use is ChatGPT. So you simply go to ChatGPT and put a prompt. So you can just ask, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for beginners in fitness niche. So if you just click, as you can see how ChatGPT is giving me 10 top smart beautiful content ideas for fitness niche. So you can use that for your own niche. Another tools that I use is a website which is called Answer the Public. So Answer the Public is a place that will give you content ideas based on what public are searching for. So all you need to do is go to answerthepublic.com. If you get there, you need to sign up. When you sign up, you can just click on YouTube, because on the Answer the Public, you will see different people, different things that people are asking on different platforms. If it is TikTok, if it is YouTube, if it is a Google search and any other thing. So you click on YouTube. So when you click on YouTube, you can just put the word fitness. So when you put fitness and then you now scroll down, as you can see, see the type of content ideas, see the type of question people are asking for about fitness on YouTube. So that is how to generate. Another place that I also use, another tools or website that I use is vidIQ. vidIQ is beautiful. So vidIQ is also an app and a plugins that you can also add to your YouTube channel. So you can just download vidIQ on your phone and sign up on vidIQ using the email address that you use in opening your YouTube channel. So when you have your vidIQ, if you go there, there are a lot of things you can do, but for the sake of this video, we are paying attention to video ideas. So you can just click on this video ideas and you are going to see multiple ideas that vidIQ will give you. So if you are using the free version, they will definitely give you 3 or 4 ideas daily. So you can just go and check the one you want, you save it so that you can go back to it later. The one you don't want, you can dismiss it. It's that simple. Another app that I also use is TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is like vidIQ also. So you can have both TubeBuddy and vidIQ. All of them, you can link it to your YouTube channel so that you can get more ideas. The fourth smart ways to generate content ideas for your YouTube channel is problems and answer questions. It is very important. Think like your viewers. So that's why it's very important for you to create a niche, have a niche. If you have not watched this video on how to get a niche for your YouTube channel, you are going to struggle a lot, so you need to watch that video. So when you know your niche, okay, it will make you to understand who are your viewers. So, and if you know who are your viewers, will make you to come with ideas of what they are searching next and next and next and next. Is extremely important. So you can also create a pool. You can ask questions. Even if you are a beginner, even on your Facebook, you can say, I have a YouTube channel, do you have any question on this? You can create a pool so you can solve real-time problem and answer people's question in your video. You can even do a Q&A. So the fifth smart way to get content ideas is create video idea bank. It's one thing for you to know how to use all these things. It's another thing for you to put it together. Put it together and make use of it. So how do you do that? I use notebook on my phone or Google Docs, where you put, at least you should be having not less than 30 video ideas for your YouTube channel. Is extremely important. So this video is part of our 30 days YouTube challenge that we are doing, where people are learning how to create YouTube channel, how to optimize, how to film, and all that. I'm so happy and grateful. If you have not joined that challenge, please do so. I will drop link in the description of this video so you can join. And it doesn't matter when you join us, just check the pin message on the Telegram group where the challenge is hosting, so that you can join and you can start. In every pin message, I will drop the link to day 1, day 2, day 3, and all that. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section of this video. And on my YouTube channel, I'm going to drop 100 ways you can get content ideas for your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll only share 5. So in that channel, or in that group, I'm going to drop 100 different ways you can generate content ideas. That is special for those that join the channel. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.